No other means of expression brings so much pleasure to so many as the creation of fine music. And never has there been so satisfying and versatile an instrument available to so many. The Hammond electric organ utilizes a method of tone production entirely unlike any other musical instrument. The heart of the electric organ is the tone generator. 91 tone wheels permanently geared together and revolving at a constant speed. Through an ingeniously simple use of electromagnetic energy, each of the specially shaped wheels generates its own pure basic tone. These basic tones can be combined in thousands of variations to play exactly the kind of music you want. Hammond's exclusive system of harmonic drawbars lets you build those pure tones, one on another, to get the precise shading you wish. This patented method of building tones is one of the secrets of full, rich organ music. Another lies in the care that goes into producing the instrument itself. But here, too, the primary concern is not just building a quality organ. All 5 Hammond plants are devoted to the one basic aim of building into every instrument the kind of organ tones you want, matchless in purity, unending in variety. In building their flawless tones, Hammond has developed some of the most highly technical precision operations in modern industry. Every one of Hammond's key employees knows his job perfectly and is proud of his role in producing the instrument that is the recognized leader in the organ field. Because Hammond's pure tones begin in the tone generator, each of the 91 tone wheels must be accurately cut to less than 1/1000th of an inch. No matter how intricate the process, how precise, a careful system of cross-checks covers every phase of production. Every tone wheel must pass a rigid audio test. Each one is individually evaluated by a trained audio technician who substantiates the findings of his own practiced ear with exacting scientific instruments. Hammond prefers to manufacture the components that go into each finished organ. Winding transformers is a complex process, and they could be bought on the open market. But by fabricating their own, Hammond safeguards the high-quality standards their customers expect. Each transformer is permanently sealed with wax, so it can't be affected by changes in humidity. All these highly integrated manufacturing processes help assure the superior performance you enjoy with a Hammond organ. Another reason for Hammond's perfect tone is the use of the automatic condenser selector, especially adapted by Hammond engineers to scientifically select exactly the right condenser for every circuit. The possibility of human error is virtually eliminated. As the tone generators are assembled, they are prepared for an operation without parallel in the industry. Hammond's exclusive final tuning. Precision instruments in the hands of the industry's most experienced people leave nothing to chance during this vital step. Once those pure tones are locked in, the organ will never again have to be tuned. Every single component of every instrument reflects the care that has gone into its making. hundreds of wires and contacts in the electric organ, and every assembly individually spot welded. And once again, Hammond puts quality first by tipping every contact with a costly palladium alloy to minimize wear. Hammond keys are of the same high quality, a combination of metal and solid molding designed to last the life of the instrument. There's no wood to warp or plastic covering to chip or discolor. Each key is individually balanced and tested with a 1-ounce weight to make sure it has exactly the right tension or touch. Another example of Hammond quality control. Hammond never takes shortcuts when quality is at stake. Sterling silver is used in the drawbar contact. More costly, sure, but silver resists corrosion better and is a more efficient conductor. Fine cabinetry begins with the selection and preparation of the highest quality lumber. The rough lumber is carefully stored to guard against warpage and assure uniformity of shape and strength. Using the most modern equipment available, Hammond kiln dries all its own wood in one of the finest drying operations in the world. Woods are laminated on a special hot plate press. Tego glue, a costly woodworking adhesive, is used in the process. Found only in the finest furniture shops, it is difficult to work with and slows down production. Yet, Hammond uses it because of its unequaled water resistance and great strength. In one of the world's most modern cabinet shops, even beautifully intricate quatrefoil patterns are made in seconds through the wonder of modern engineering. The fancy metal drill jig is only one of many tools especially designed by Hammond's tool and die people for a particular job. Never in the history of organ making have cabinets been produced with such care and attention to detail. But even here, the rigid quality control continues as a serial number is placed in each cabinet before it moves on. All cabinets are carefully hand-sanded before being lacquered, and only the highest quality lacquer is used, made especially for Hammond to meet its specific requirements of beauty and durability. Then the cabinets are hand-rubbed by Hammond's experienced craftsmen until every one has a glistening finish, a stain-resistant, durable finish that will remain mirror-bright for the life of the organ. In the final assembly shop, every component is carefully mounted in the cabinet. But foolproof quality control from one end of production to the other still isn't enough for Hammond. They've got to know every organ is perfect. Before a single instrument leaves the plant, it must pass the most severe test of all, a final inspection that includes a structural study, an examination of every fitting, and a complete check of every exterior moving part on the organ. Nothing is overlooked. And to cap the inspection, each organ is actually played in a soundproof room to make sure it delivers Hammond's pure, perfect tones. Every Hammond organ, regardless of its cost, receives the same attention to detail and quality control during the manufacturing process. And the finished products reflect it in both their appearance and performance. The Hammond Spinet model organ is the largest selling organ in the world. No organ anywhere near its price can give you the tremendous range and rich tonal quality offered by this model. You have two manuals of 44 keys each, harmonic drawbars for each manual, touch response percussion control, selective vibrato, and other exclusive Hammond features that mean easier playing and better tones. Its compact size, lightweight, and versatile performance make the Hammond Spinet a wise choice for small auditoriums, or as a practical second organ for churches. The church model has a very different and distinctive kind of beauty. With matched walnut panels and dignified quatrefoil carving. Offering enormous tonal power and beauty, this instrument is capable of presenting a complete range of organ music. You have 4 sets of 9 harmonic drawbars, 2 completely independent sets for each manual, plus 18 preset combinations, 9 for each manual. At the touch of a key, you can change to a completely different harmonic combination. Its portability, plus its versatility, make it a great favorite wherever a variety of true church tones are wanted. For those who prefer a different type of cabinet work, the church organ also is available with an open design console. It has the same outstanding Hammond performance features. The concert model Hammond organ is truly the finest of the fine, designed to meet the needs of the most exacting organist. The concert model has all the exclusive features you've seen, plus Hammond's pedal solo system, a full 32-note radial concave keyboard built to conform to AGO specifications. The pedal solo system includes 8 stop tablets that give you brilliant solo tones of the chorus reed type, as well as the 2 drawbar-controlled foundation tones. In short, no organ other than the finest pipe organ, costing many thousands of dollars, can equal the rich tone resources of the Hammond concert model. Just as the organist uses artistry, skill, and a delicate sense of touch to present the rich, clear tones so pleasing to the human ear, Hammond uses all the resources at its command to build those pure, perfect tones into every organ. Tones that truly make Hammond music's most glorious voice.